every day go, you know what I'm saying?
I'm mixed, by the way.
I got these scars.
Too
Crazy.
Fuck
you,
yo.
pay me.
I done sat and watched the shine of a lot of guys. Sign bullshit deals, getting sodomized. My record sales that never sell with sunny skies. Underlines a negative without a dime. I've seen them spit, repeat the shit 1,000 times. Front niggas talk about they about to get signed. Snap put me on, your deal is about a dime. And if time is money, about out of time. Habitual line crosser and I found a line. No rookie, you pussy, I'm on my 1,000th time. You been bubbling too long, nigga sounding dry. Fucking fruitcakes, you all sounding pie. I'm in two states, never two-faced. Mr. Too Great, spitting with a screw face. Punchlines go hard like fruitcake. Just whip it in the jar, it's the new bass.
I'm always on the grind. I put a bullet in your bitch. Direct me to your chief. Follow the leader. Wintertime dog food money. You know it. A hood prospect. Can you stand the rain? Dating mermaids, killer bands, the interface. Closest thing to the original grain. MM80 mayhem. Walking in feeling like Kimbo Slice. I want his ice or his life. Semi-automatic marriage. Assassins. Animals at large. Lyrical golf war. Gunning. Hollow tip. Rip 'em through. Got 'em running. I'm in Cancun with Shorty. Shorty got body like Coca-Cola. Certified street diploma, I'm gone.
Give me this, give me that, give me this, give me that. Bitch, step back and stop trying to jack.
Hey yo, it ain't a thing for me to do it. It had to be a charge without the battery included. Red, black, and green, not even yellow and blue it. Spit my first wet hard, even bellow it through it. The cat, the rat, to put that matter of fact back on the map. With the brats to get the cheese. Now I'm the cat, Somniac, dreamer shows overseas. But now I'm back on the track, trying to get open like a cornerback. I want the rap and send me. And not because I wanna say I bought it back for Fendi. And not for a Grammy, Tony, Oscar, or an Emmy. And not because I wanna show off all my things to people that will never have as many. I'd rather speak to niggas holding to their last penny. Pass Henny, burn trees and blast any. Snakes, pigs, rats, and birds too. Cause all of them could hurt you. So take your time to bounce like a curfew, motherfuckers.
A little crazy maybe, see I got raps that got rabies. Rap without safety, grab chicks whatever state they be, and I'ma beat it. And whatever case may be, I don't deal with the fuckery. See I do sluggery, mine's up, I had you lined up like a cutlery. Margarine cause my flow's so buttery. Hardcore to swat, all of y'all fuck with me. Illa G slice to beat up nice, everybody's King Cold cause I'm holding the heat right. Raps draw a crowd like I'm holding a street fight. I'm more than a monster, I literally eat life. See him street life, fake niggas enemy. And I squeeze at your fake nigga tendencies. Still advanced, still willing to scrap, still the villain. And I'm much realer than rapper, yo.
Brain cave. I'm no shorty. It's crazy. This beat'll make your head swell, cancerous, gross. Madness invokes the animal within my man-to-man handle you close. All staring, loving what's so great for your toast. Man, I'm a ghost, no matter either way, your family gon' hold you close to their heart. Once you're gone like a roach in the dark, lights flash, last longer for that extra explosion of spark. Special sentiment that holds on my heart, but mine's is cold, got a mind of its own. We slowly growing apart. The sheep following the lines on the road. I told them, but they still got their nose up at the art. I'm holding my head, thinking on the next move, money-hungry bastards running off of breast milk in pursuit of a mental state. They got my body viewed as a temple, sane, but far from it. Off the top like when the star plummets, the block wanted, so break it, hit the streets like it's rock coming.
This is a fucking Dirty Daggers beat.